हिमालयम समारभ्यम यावत इंदु सरोवरम तम देव निमृतम देशम हिंदुस्तानम रक्षते। हिमालय पर्वत से शुरू होकर हिंद महासागर तक फैला हुआ है। यह ईश्वर निम्रित देश है जिसे हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग रिस्पेक्टेड मैनेजर सर, मैम, प्रिंसिपल मैम, वाइस प्रिंसिपल मैम, टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स and also all my dear friends. Myself R. Singh, I am from class 7. Today we are gathered to reflect upon the India's remarkable journey of scientific progress since gaining independence. Over the past decades, our nation has achieved remarkable milestones that have elevated our status on the global scientific stage. From the establishment of prestigious institutions like the India Institute of Technology (IITs) and Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) to groundbreaking advancements in ranging from space exploration and nuclear energy to biotechnology and information technology, India has truly emerged as force to be reckoned with the realm of science. Our achievement in space exploration, marked by successful to Moon, Mars and beyond, have demonstrated our technology prowess and determination to push the boundaries of human knowledge. The launch of Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan India mission to the Moon and Mars, respectively, has showcased our ability to design, build and execute complex interplanetary journeys. India in the field of medicine and biotechnology, India has made significant strides from pioneering work in vaccination and generic pharmaceuticals to cutting-edge research in genetic engineering and stem cell therapy. Our scientists and research have played pivotal role in advancing healthcare solutions and improvising the well-being of people not only within our borders but around the world. The information technology sector has witnessed exponential growth with Indian talent contributing to innovation in software development, artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. Our nation IT professionals has earned a reputation for their expertise, driving digital transformation across various industries globally. Furthermore, India's commitments to renewable energy and sustainable development is evident through its advantages, such as the National Solar Mission. We address the challenge of climate change. Our scientific community continues to develop innovation solutions for cleaner energy, productive solution and environment conservation. However, we must acknowledge that while we have achieved remarkable progress, there is still much work to be done. We must invest in education, research and infrastructure to ensure that our scientific community remains at the forefront of discovery and innovation. Collaboration between academic, industry and government are crucial to foster an environment that nurtures scientific curiosity and entrepreneurship. In conclusion, India's scientific progress after independence is a testament to our nation's resilience, intellect and dedication. As we look to the future, let us continue to support and celebrate the innovators of our scientific and researchers, for they hold the key to unlocking new frontiers and shaping a brighter tomorrow for all us. अतः आज हमारे देश तकनीकी के क्षेत्र में किसी अन्य देश से कम नहीं है। आज आज़ादी दिवस में मौके पर मैं कुछ देश की संपत्ति पंक्तियों के माध्यम से अपनी बातों को विराम देना चाहूँगी। दौलत अता न दौलत न अता करना मौला, शोहरत न अता करना मौला, बस इतना अता करने चाहे, जन्नत न अता करना मौला। सब में वतन की लय पर कुर्बानी पतंगा हो, बैठ होठों पर गंगा हो, हाथों में तिरंगा हो। जय हिंद।